Hi guys, it's Mrs. Blauk. We are going to go over your new vocabulary words for this week. So this is going to be just kind of like how we do it in school, except that we won't be able to, you won't be able to volunteer and tell me all your great ideas. You'll just have to listen. All right, so the first vocabulary word on this page is amendments. And it says one of the amendments to the Constitution gave women the right to vote. And we actually read a story about a lady who helped women get the right to vote. So an amendment is like a change to a law or a rule. All right, the next word is commitment. And it says the two boys made a commitment to practice their song for the talent show. So what a commitment means is something that you say you're going to do and then you do it. So if you make a commitment to play soccer, you sign up for the team, you play the season, and then it's over. So you're there the whole time. That's what a commitment is. So it's something you say you're going to do and then you do it. The next word is the word compromise. And compromise, it says Sam and his dad agreed to compromise on when Sam would mow the lawn. So a compromise is when you have to, each person has to maybe give up a little bit of something, or you have to find a way to agree. So maybe you have to do that sometimes with your brothers and sisters, where you might say like, okay, well, we'll play this for a little bit and then we're going to play what I want to play. All right, and then the last word on this page is democracy. And it says, in a democracy, it's important for people to vote during an election. So a democracy, that's like what we have in the United States. That's where we vote and then we pick who we want to be our president, who we want to be the governor. So that means that the people who live in the country get to vote. And that's a democracy, and it's showing you a picture of people voting here.